Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Lex's cousin Nigel. I'm Australian, mate, and brought my pet Kiwi with me. His name is Kenny Kiwi. Top of the morning to everybody out there in America. Happy April Fool's Day, everybody. Hope you're having fun, having a good day today. Today's message is to be helpful. It has rained pretty hard recently, and today's supposed to be a little bit sunny, so if you can get out there, help your folks clean up the yard or anything to help your family and the yard and the house. All right, I'm going to read a few fun facts from our Weird But True 2 book. So here we go. The hearts of some hummingbirds can beat faster than 1,000 times a minute. The ancient Aztecs used cocoa beans as money. Rhinoceroses don't sweat. Interesting. A hill in New Zealand is named, oh my, I can't say it, Tamatawakana Hanakanahana Tamate Pokai Wenuka Itanatananu. I'll show you that word on the bottom. It takes up both pages. It's possible to smell smells in dreams. So there you go. There's that big long word on the bottom that I definitely mispronounced for sure. All right. Today, lesson 4.8, and it is word problems that deal with using proof drawings, show all totals, new groups above, new groups below, your choice on those three things, but it does ask for a proof drawing on those pages. All right, so I'm going to show you not page 231, because that one is the word problems, but just a little brief on page 232, which deals more with place value. And place value, remember, in a number like 232, you start on your ones, tens, hundreds, and what would be next if it came to the left? You said thousands, you are correct. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and so on. All right, so I took the example below Puzzle Penguin because Puzzle Penguin has something similar to this. And just reading the numbers, it's 179 plus 38. So I give you two choices here. I line them up like this. Some people, they think, let's put everything left right under each other and see what we get. Well, remember, this is 179 and this is 38 below it. So if we add those together, 9 plus 0 is 9, 7 plus 8, 15. I like the new groups above. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So this answer would say, this is 559. All right, well, I want to show you below with the proof drawing. 179 plus 38. Well, compare your proof drawing to the answer that you did up here. And this is proof that it doesn't match. You do have 100. Okay, here are 7 and 3 tens, if you wanted to group those. So I guess you could say, I have 200 in my proof drawing I made. Well, that is not even close to our 500. So there is proof that something's wrong. We did not line up our place values. Okay, so in your 30 and 8, well, it's 8 ones. So the ones need to be lined up. And 30 has 3 tenths. So line up your tens. Okay, so 9 plus 8, 17. New group above. 7 plus 3 is 10. One more. 11. Another new group. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'll just kind of use this proof drawing, which is the actual numbers, if you don't mind. It is 100 plus another 100 equals 200. See if we have enough tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. 9 ones. And one more, so that'd be a 10. So let's see, 200, a 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Bingo. 217 is correct. So that proof drawing is actually another way to prove to yourself that you got the answer correct. Okay, so that is page 232 on today's lesson. Update for as far as grading and assignments for fourth quarter. We will be asking that you check the Green Valley Distance Learning page on the Green Valley homepage. It's toward the bottom under third grade math. We will be asking that you complete fluency checks and quick quizzes for grades, at least to start out fourth quarter. So we're asking that you'll take a picture of the page, send it to us through our email or through the Remind app. It's fine, either way is good. So we can collect some grades for fourth quarter. And as you probably already know, fourth quarter is just going to be pass or fail, no letter grades for fourth quarter. All right. And of course, I don't know, let's see. Oops, I'm put them in robot form. This one is super easy to tell. And it is April Fool's, so this is one of my more lesser known toys from my childhood. What do you think that's going to be? I'll show you the back of them. It's missing something, unfortunately. All right. This is silly. It's supposed to be a helicopter. And this is something called a, not transformer, it's called a GoBot. GoBot was another company's response to Transformers in hopes that they'd make money too. But these guys, instead of being all plastic, these guys have metal and plastic. They're like heavy. But these are lesser known. They did have a show out as well. Just another goofy toy from the 80s. All right. Have a wonderful day. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Keep sending those pictures through Remind, and I'll share them with all of our friends. All right. Take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.